Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Technology, your trusted destination for the latest smartphone reviews and tech news. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new POCO F8 Pro flagship killer that promises top-tier performance, a stunning display, powerful cameras, and incredible value for money. So, is the POCO F8 Pro worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. Design and build quality. The POCO F8 Pro features a premium and modern design with a sleek glass back, durable aluminum frame, and a stylish camera module that gives it a flagship appearance. It feels comfortable to hold despite the large display, and the build quality is solid and premium. With IP68 water and dust resistance, you can confidently use the phone in different environments without worrying about accidental splashes. Display experience. The display is one of the strongest features of the POCO F8 Pro. It comes with a 6.78-inch 2K AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The 140 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling incredibly smooth, while HDR support delivers an immersive experience for movies and gaming. Whether you're watching YouTube, browsing social media, or playing games, this display performs beautifully. Performance and software. Under the hood, the POCO F8 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Performance is extremely fast, apps launch instantly, multitasking is effortless, and demanding games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact run smoothly on high graphics settings. The phone runs the latest HyperOS based on Android 16, providing a clean interface, useful AI features, and improved battery optimization. Camera performance. The POCO F8 Pro features an impressive triple camera system led by a 50MP flagship main sensor, supported by an ultra-wide camera and a macro lens. Daylight photos are sharp, colorful, and packed with detail. Night mode has improved significantly, producing brighter and cleaner images with reduced noise. Video recording supports up to 8000 resolution, delivering smooth stabilization and excellent detail. The 32MP front camera captures clear selfies with natural skin tones, making it perfect for social media and video calls. Battery and charging. Battery life is another highlight. The POCO F8 Pro packs a large 6000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day even with heavy usage. When it's time to recharge, 120W HyperCharge gets the battery from nearly empty to full in around 25 minutes. You also get fast wireless charging, making charging more convenient than ever. Final verdict. So, should you buy the POCO F8 Pro? If you're looking for flagship performance, an amazing AMOLED display, excellent cameras, incredible battery life, and ultra-fast charging all at a competitive price, the POCO F8 Pro is definitely worth considering. It's one of the strongest flagship value smartphones available in 2026. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smartphone reviews here on Future Technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.